we still caught the fish.
What's happening, baby? Living the dream! Yeah!
Get him in. Get him. Look at that. Look at my girl. Get him. What you got? Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Get him. Put him in the boat. Go. She got him. That's one. Welcome to another episode of Living the Outdoor Dream. And there she goes. She's gonna get another one. If you look right here, they got this little cut right there, and the current's going out. She was just working that cut right there, and that's how she had caught that one. She's gonna work that cut. I'm just gonna be throwing all over on the outside. Might throw in the back there, might throw back there, but you can see right here, you see her cark right there, it's going with the current. She's working that cut prime spot. Another one. All right, guys. I know I didn't get the video. Alright, let me get this up. Alright, I know I didn't get the video footage of catching this one. Pretty much, I was just working this point right here, the current's flowing that way, and just pretty much caught this nice little one. So, we're gonna go ahead and let him go now. The water is crystal clear. I don't know if you can see it, but it's crystal clear. Let's let him go. Alright guys, so I just caught a fish, but it popped the string and it's on the cark. It's over there. So I'm gonna try and get that fish with the cark on it. We're gonna keep an eye on it. Let's see if it's possible. Alright, so I got my fishing pole. All I'm gonna do is take the boat and power us to the cark. And I'm gonna cast and try and catch the cark. Got it. What y'all think about that? I told y'all wasn't gonna want to miss this. A gold red fish. Living the dream, baby. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Let's see what we got. A nice little red. Woo! A nice one. Whoa, there goes my pole. That was fun, y'all. Live shrimp right up against the bank, high tide. Tide is falling, shrimp's all up, the fish is all up in the marsh. Nice red. Let's take a measurement. See what he is. He is right at 16 and a half. So he's legal. Perfect pan fry. I don't know if you ever had fried redfish or blackened redfish, but highly recommend. Nice little legal size. I'm gonna go ahead and keep them. I'm gonna get back to fishing some more. Sorry I didn't get the video clip of me hooking them, but I'm pretty sure they got some more. Let's fish